We are a small partnership. We're based in Brooklyn. We do mostly residential work, some commercial work. I think a lot of our focus in what we do is to try and figure out how to be very, very simple, which is not an easy thing to do. We meet with clients. We take into account their tastes, their personalities, their families. We pay a lot of attention to the architecture of the building, make the fewest, strongest gestures we can to design a really beautiful, simple space. This is a garden in Cobble Hill. It's 75 feet long by 20 feet wide. So there's an 8-foot grade change throughout. The house is a beautiful old brownstone, and the owners had done a 2-story addition to the back of the house. We really took our cues from that addition. It's stuccoed concrete with lovely steel casement windows. We made a really strong, long axis through the whole garden and then had various spaces occur off that axis. There's a bluestone patio in the lowest level, and because so much of the facade of the addition was these expanses of stucco, I wanted to kind of echo that in the design of this lower terrace and have it very minimal. The second level up is wood deck off the boardwalk with their dining table, and then the farthest back area is a river rock, just kind of play area, a raised bed in the back with a playhouse that the owner designed and built for his 2 young sons. It's actually quite a place. This is a garden behind what's referred to as the State Street row houses in downtown Brooklyn, where it's a kind of recreation of the brownstone style, but done very modern. This client didn't want super modern in the backyard. They have 2 young kids, and she wanted color and a kind of enveloping sense of plants and a playful space for the kids. This is a steel play structure that we designed with 2 wood platforms. They can climb up on different sides of it. They can cover it with fabric roof, they can decorate it, they can do whatever they want with it, and they get a lot of use out of it. These clients, she is a graphic designer and he is an architect. They love order. We tried to make sure we're aligning views with the windows. It's mostly about texture and foliage. We've got boxwood balls and a sheared boxwood panel. We have Perovskia, or Russian sage, in the lower right-hand corner. Then we have that wispy grasses, Nacella tenuissima. In the back is more of a mixed planting of shade-loving plants, and the hedge on the left is the Taxus hedge. We try and give a kind of palpable sense of light and space and air to what we take on.